Hey guys, welcome back to After Hours. This is Spam Sushi.
Guys, welcome back to another Short Bus After Hours. One of the things that I've learned in my years of fishing is that you can't control the fishing. But the things that you can control are beer and food. So, today, fortunately, we didn't really have to control the fishing much because it was fantastic. But there's no better way to wrap out the day with an awesome meal. So today, we're gonna be cooking pork chops with gravy, and Steven is going to whip up an appetizer for us. And I'm not really sure what we're gonna be in for there. We'll figure it out. Pork chops and gravy, we're gonna get these pork chops going. Go ahead and get those cooked. We've got a little bit of rice on here. Apparently, Hobo Steve is gonna be using some rice and whatever it is he's doing. So we're just gonna go ahead and work on cooking this rice down. It's coming along well. We just got it going. It's doing its thing.
What's he just? That was a terrible idea.
Is that really what you needed? Why the did you do that?
So I was a little bored streamer fishing today. I needed some excitement in my life, so we lit the pan on fire. Hobo Steve is in charge of the appetizer tonight, and let's get started. So I decided to make a classic here. I saw that Adam was picking up rice to make for his main dish there, and we needed to pick up some soy sauce anyway for marinating. So I decided we're going to make an American classic here. Spam Sushi. So we have the greatest invention America's ever made, canned pork, aka Spam. I don't even know if you can call it actual pork, but we're going to for purposes tonight.
Legally, we may not be able to call it meat.
True that. FDA is not involved in this. Anywho, so we're gonna take this wonderful invention and we're gonna make a classic out of it. Ooh, there we go. See, after all that whiskey burned off, now we're talking. A little caramelized oil in there. I usually get my sushi made by professionals. Don't really pay attention to how they do it, but it looks great. So we're gonna try to do it ourselves right now. We've got our Spam, we've got our rice, we've got our seaweed, and we're gonna start just molding it and see what we can't make happen. Let's get this molded up here. Hand roll that. So we're just gonna kind of get it nice and tight here. Roll it down.
So starting off, we're just gonna sear these pork chops. We've got our gravy kind of going over here. Some cream of mushroom gravy with some chicken stock. We're gonna go ahead and just start searing these pork chops. Once they're kind of seared, they're not gonna be finished all the way through. Really just, you want them kind of crispier on the outside. You have to watch your rice or your gravy when you're making that. And then here in just a second, we're gonna pour that gravy into the same mixture or into the same pot that you were searing your pork chops in, and just let them finish.
We have our rice rolls done completely. We're gonna grab our Spam, drop those on top, bam. Next, we're gonna grab our seaweed and we're gonna wrap it around our whole roll and we'll finish it off. Hey guys, welcome back to After Hours. This is Spam Sushi. Ah, there he is. All right, your after-hours meal is served.
Oh, wow. Dude, at the editing station?
Some Spam Sushi.
Are you kidding me? Fun fact, this is actually, I've never eaten Spam before, which is surprising to some, but here we go. First attempt. I like it.
There we go. That's a successful appetizer.
Dude, I feel like I'm eating legit sushi. Let's see here. Let me try one more bite. Let me just crunch this one down. Oh my god. Dude, that was really good. A good little like appetizer. I really had no idea what to expect. My nose is hurting. It's burning. Wow. Dude. Well done.
I'll lay off the wasabi next time for you. All right.
I'm a fan.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see how this bad boy tastes. Oh, it's delicious. That wasabi just hit my sinuses. Took me a second to get through it. Eyes are watering a little bit. Honestly, I don't think I've ever been able to breathe out my nostrils this well out west. It's always so dry. That wasabi just cleared everything out. But let's go get on to the real meal.
I just made in about 2 seconds what Steven wasted your time showing you.
Is that why there's rice all over
It
your
is
hand?
legitimately good. You should try it. Yeah. You can make it with your hand, but you know, those little bamboo roll things that they have are a lot better, but we don't have any for the bus. If you want to support us, please send us some of those little bamboo sushi mats. A little bit of rice. Pork chop.
Well done, Adam. And Steve.
This chair sucks. There's sand here.
Well, we appreciate y'all joining us for another Short Bus Diaries After Hours. This one was interesting.
I was in the bus, dumping cards, and then I saw a big flame out here, and now we're here. But fortunately, no one got hurt, nothing blew up, and we've got some good food. So appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.